Welcome back to Radiant Click's Lifestyle channel. Today we will be showing you the demonstration of Blanca air pistol. Please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.
So guys, today we will be showing you how to use a Blanca air pistol. So first of all, you can see a small knob over here. You just have to push it down. Now this thing which has come out, you need to pull it all the way back till it locks out, and then you need to push it back into its position. After that, you can just press your finger over here and this thing will come up. So over here you can see two sockets. The upper one is for BB pellets and the lower one is for your normal pellets for air guns. So first I'll show you how to use BB pellets. When you're using BB pellets, these balls, these copper balls that you can see over here, you can load up to 18 balls at a time. So as I told you earlier, you have to load them into the upper socket. And you can load up to 18 balls in one go, but every time you need to take a shot, you'll have to cock the air pistol once more. Now you just need to move it back in this position just so that the ball goes into the right slot for it to fire. Now the pistol is ready to be fired, so we'll try and aim at that plastic bottle over there. Okay, so as I told you, we have already loaded multiple BB pellets into this. So all you have to do is you have to unlock this, you have to cock it once more, do this action, and now it's ready to fire again. Now in case if you want to use your regular airgun pellets, so you have to cock it the same way. Once you have done that, you push it down, and as I told you earlier, you have to load the pellet into the lower slot, the round one. You do it something like this. As you can see, the pellet is over there. Now you put it back into its position and your pistol is ready to fire. So once you have loaded your pellet into the Blanca air pistol, so it works for either BB balls or your regular air pistol pellets. So it works for both of them. Once you have loaded it, one very cool feature that this pistol has is it has a locking mechanism over here. You see the small knob over here which you usually use in pistols to take out the magazine. But over here, if you just press it, then the trigger gets locked. So you can't fire it while this is placed in this position. So you have to push it back from the other side. You have to push it back and now you can fire the pistol.